Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to withdraw money from Lyft. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Lyft's application on my phone, and this is how it will look like once you open the app. So from here, you can turn on your precise location or enter a pickup location if you want to search for a ride. Right here in the top left corner, you're gonna find this icon. If you click on it, from here you're gonna find your profile. You can view your profile from here and see your info, your business profile, and so on. And from here, you can also see the free rides, your ride history, payment, rewards, gift cards. If you want to redeem your gift card, just enter the gift card number right here. See also donate, help, and settings. From here, you can change all of the settings in the Lyft application. And if you want to withdraw money from Lyft, go ahead and click on payment. And from here, you're going to find your Lyft cash. You can add cash. Under it, you're going to find business. You're going to find payment methods. You can add your payment method from here. Add the Lyft pass. See the payment history and payment frequency. And if you don't have a business profile, you can make it from here. Click on setup and then add your work email, your payment method, and your receipt forwarding from here. And then you will get paid right here in the payment section. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.